Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZOM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red line up there is coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is actually just adjust this level of resistance down. Yeah, it does still pertain up there at 27 cents, but it's not really relevant after today's price movement. So a more near-term level that stands out to me is right here at the 25-cent mark. Although 25 cents really still is kind of a secondary area because the main level you're going to want to watch in the very near term is that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. And that's just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. And you can see that mid-afternoon, the price finally did break down below that purple line. So at that point, like I said, it goes back to the rule, levels of support you would expect to act as resistance. So on any sort of attempted bounces to the upside, let's first see if the price can break above that purple line. If it can, well, then at that point, it starts to make more sense to talk about 25 cents. And then if the price can break through 25 cents, you can focus more so on that 27-cent mark. But that's why I just wanted to get the line away from 27 cents because there's just a whole lot more work that needs to be done in the near term before any of those levels would come into play. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, initial level, going to be right down here at 22.5 cents, and there's nothing fancy or complicated behind this at all, other than the fact of that's just finally where the price was at these highs and kept going down and down and down. That's where the bleeding finally stopped before a little miniature bounce to the upside. So for that reason and that reason alone is going to be why that's going to be the initial level of support. In the event that level can't quite hold up, next key level after that down there at the 21.5 cent mark. But overall, disappointing day today, but the overall trend can still get recovered, so we'll see what happens with it moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.